very experienced.
Investigators need to know why such an experienced crew failed to act quickly when their plane was in danger. They suspect one reason may be the unusual nature of this flight. An acceptance flight designed to test the plane's limits.
Okay, that's good. During the turn, let's roll to 33, then to 45.
Okay.
Every time they test the plane,
Hands off now.
the automation fixes the problem.
Yep. Yes. Voila. It's all good.
Even when they hear alarms, they don't worry.
We need to overspeed.
You just want to hear the overspeed warning?
They're expecting the plane to correct the problem.
There it is. You can cancel the warning if you like.
They trusted their plane too much.
The crew allowed the speed to get so low because they were very confident in the good functioning of the aircraft.
Unfortunately, in this case, they allowed it to go all the way to the point that the airplane actually began to stall.
Stick forward.
Then they were in a stall recovery situation without a lot of altitude to work with.
Flaps up! Flaps up!
With their plane in a catastrophic stall, the 7 men aboard Flight 888 were doomed.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Damn it!
Our march toward automation has nowhere come close to stopping. And it's appropriate. In previous generation airplanes, you first learn to fly the airplane and then you learn to manage the automation. In later generation airplanes, you learn the automation as an integral part. But we have to have the interface between the pilots and the automation improve and mature.
The official accident report highlights several contributing factors, including the aircraft washing procedures and the decision to perform flight checks at low altitude.
Yeah, we need to go slow with recovery.
The report also calls for clearer rules governing acceptance flights and more training for stall recovery.
This led the BEA to recommend training for the pilots to be able to recover from stall conditions.
Improved training for loss of control events is something that all pilots need. Loss of control is the leading cause of fatalities in all aspects of aviation. So it is an area that we need to focus on as an industry to keep our safety record improving.
Gentlemen, good afternoon.
Acceptance test flying is going to be with us. Maintenance check flights are a necessary part of aviation.
Better buckle up.
And so we need to take these lessons and learn them well because we're going to be doing these flights again.
We take science out of the classroom and onto the streets with explosive results in None of the Above, the brand new series starting on Wednesday at 9.